So when we do these rational equations, now first I want you to understand that these are equations, all right? They have equal signs. As we said on Tuesday, the main thing that we hate is not the fraction altogether. The numerators are innocent. What we really hate are the denominators. Okay, so we say, all right, how can we get rid of the denominators? Okay, so we have the fraction right here, and we say, well, in one single move, how can we get rid of the denominators? And we say, well, you can multiply them. Okay, you can multiply them, and you can multiply them with, oh, actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and do this. Let me rewrite the fraction because I can see something special right here. Can you see something special right here? All right, so let me go ahead and do something about x squared minus 9. I can do something about it because x squared minus 9 is equal to x plus 3 times x minus 3. Okay, so that's excellent. We have it factored, and now with a better view of what we can multiply to get rid of all the denominators. Okay, so what can we multiply to get rid of all the denominators? That would be thinking about what the common denominator would be if we were to make a common denominator out of these fractions. Okay, so for the first fraction on the left, it would just be x times x plus 3 remaining. The x minus 3 would be canceled out. So see, right there, we do not have the denominator anymore. Okay, and then you have 2 right here for the first fraction because this denominator is the same as this, so they multiply each other out. They're canceled, but don't forget that we are distributing, so we still have this x plus 3, x minus 3 to multiply with the x over x plus 3. So the x plus 3 will get canceled out, so you have x minus 3. Now, I remember this when I was young learning this topic, that the main challenge for me is to not being aware that this is being distributed to both. Okay, so I think this is the major thing that you want to keep in mind. Okay. Oh, you know what I didn't do at the very beginning? The restrictions. I should have done the restrictions first. The restrictions are 3 and -3. Okay. I was telling myself at the beginning, but somehow just forgot about it. All right, and then you have x squared plus 3x. And then you expand it, and be careful when you expand it because there's a minus x, there's a minus in front of x. So you would have to distribute a minus as well. And you combine like terms because you see the x squared right here. So make sure you set one side equal to 0 because factoring is by far the easiest thing that we can do to handle these quadratic expressions. The 3x will get canceled out because you have plus 3x on both sides. So if you subtract 3x, they will be both gone. And then you factor out the 2. Anything special here? You see anything special? I hope you see this special thing right here, x squared minus 1. What's x squared minus 1? It is with x squared subtracting each other, so x plus 1, x minus 1, right there. So that's how you know x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So so these are the 2 solutions that we've got here. Okay. So x equals to -1, x equals to 1.